Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Wi-Fi auto connect on public networks. So if you have PC or if you have mobile device, so we will move in the settings. So right now you will be just find this of section of Wi-Fi and we will get in. So here you will see, so whatever you network Wi-Fi is connected, so you will be just tap on this one settings of this IE information. And right now if you want to just disable the Wi-Fi auto connect on public networks, so make sure you will just turn it off, because whenever it will be just connected automatically, so you will be just go in this information IE and turn it off this auto join. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.